What's so funny, TSM?
You know what it is precisely. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. The queen on the scene day and night. I hit that subscribe and I gotta hit that like. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen of the Pisces. Yeah, that like, share, subscribe. Yeah, hit that like, share, subscribe. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen, it's the Pisces. That like, share, subscribe. Yeah, hit that like, share, subscribe.
Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole the Pisces Queen. Hey! In today's video, I am going to show you how I de-bleach my lace. You see that it is red, and I went and I looked for some YouTube videos on how to do so. I will link the girl video below who I found. It was like one or two. And she used this stuff called color oops, and I'm going to show y'all how I used it and how she used it. You can watch her video below, but I'm going to show you how I did it. And it's very important to read the instructions. I know sometimes we just watch a video and we just like go with it, but these instructions are very, very important. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do, and I didn't show the bottles, I don't think so. Bottle 1, there's a bottle 1 and there's a bottle 2. It comes with a plastic bag to put your hair in. If you're using a wig, you can do this on your own hair as well. And it comes with gloves, which I did not use because I already had some. And I felt the ones I had on were more sturdy anyway. So what you do is take bottle 1, which is the one I just took right there, and pour it into bottle 2 and shake it up for 30 seconds. Literally shake it up for 30 seconds. You want it to work. Now, and for this video, it's too much of it anyway. I didn't even use the whole bottle. But you just pour it in there and shake it for 30 seconds. Okay, so now we're going to cut the top off. Make sure you have better scissors than I did. I have my lash scissors. Like, what the hell? But anyway, you pour a little bit into the bowl because I'm only doing the lace. I'm not doing my own hair or the wig or anything like that. I'm just doing the lace, so I didn't need a lot. And you're going to spread it on there evenly and like don't press into the lace. Just like slap it on there. Well, it's like just laying on there, so you won't turn your hair on the lace back to the color it was. And you're gonna put it in the plastic bag and let it sit for 20 minutes. It is very important that you move fast because it starts working immediately, really. And just so you know, the smell will not hit you until after them probably cooked a while, and then the smell hits you. that shit stank. Like, I'm telling you, it stank. It stinks. I'm telling you. Don't have all your doors open, okay? Because that stuff stank. Woo! I'm telling you, I almost died. You see my doors open? My door is never open when I'm doing my hair, but that stuff stank so bad, Lord. Nope. I'm gonna tell you for real, it don't smell bad until it cooks a little bit. Then that shit start to stink. For real, I'm telling you, it's the worst. Okay, enough with the shenanigans. So you see that it lifted a little bit. It's a lot more browner like the original color. So I'm going to blow dry just to make sure that it did take all the stain off, and it didn't. So I went in for the second time. So I let it sit for another 20 minutes, I believe, or 10 minutes. I'm not for sure. You are not supposed to let it go longer than 20 minutes. So don't let it. Make sure you put your timer on. Pay attention to your timer. And when you get ready to rinse it, it is very important to rinse it for 15 to 20 minutes. First, you want to get that smell up out of there. So you're going to rinse it with warm water and shampoo, of course, and rinse it for 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, on the instructions, it says yes for 20 minutes. Okay. And then you're going to shampoo again and rinse for another 5 minutes. Now, this is for somebody that's probably doing their own hair. But for the lace, I did the same because I didn't want that smell to be in my hair. And even when I did it first time, I did it for like 5 minutes, and I washed it with my favorite shampoo that smells so good. It still stank, I'm telling you. So go ahead and rinse that for that 15 to 20 minutes. So as y'all seen, I did do it twice, and I didn't let it sit for the whole, I think I put 29 minutes. It wasn't supposed to be 29 minutes, but I didn't let it sit for the whole 29 minutes. So but look, it looks so good now. It looks so much better, and it looks like it did before. It's a few stains still on there, but not enough for you can tell. So yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. Let me know if you knew about the color oops, or is this something new to you. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in part 4, the makeup look. I believe the makeup look is a story time as well, so I hope y'all enjoyed that story time. I did it while doing my makeup, so yeah, good luck with that. Yeah. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you are already subscribed, you already know you are the real MVP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
What's so funny, TSM?
You know what it is precisely. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. The queen on the scene day and nightly. I hit that subscribe and I gotta hit that like. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen of the Pisces. Yeah, yeah, that like, share, subscribe. Yeah, yeah, hit that like, share, subscribe. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen, it's the Pisces. That like, share, subscribe. Yeah, yeah, hit that like, share, subscribe.